The previous tutorial covered how to create a new artifact in TK20 when you need to put together your portfolios. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the steps that you can use existing artifacts in TK20 when you put together your portfolio, especially the program portfolio. What I mean by existing artifacts is the artifacts that you have already created and attached files for different course assignments that you have submitted in TK20 already. You will log in to TK20 through the URL steps and then click on the Portfolios tab to get to the link to Program Portfolio. And I'm using this student program portfolio for elementary education as an example. Now, after clicking on that link to program portfolio, you will see the 10 SEP Standards of Effective Practice Standard tabs. And now I'm going to use SEP Standard 2 as an example. And when you click on any of the 10 SEP Standard tabs, you will see the 2 links for you to click and attach. The first one, on the same line of template for standard 2, click here to attach. That link is for you to create and upload file to create a new artifact, which was shown in the previous tutorial video. If you have existing artifacts that you would like to use to create your program portfolio in TK20, you will click on the link underneath it, which is on the same line of new item. When you click this link of click here to attach, and you will see this window. And as what I showed you in the previous tutorial video, and you can put your cursor over to the lower right corner. When you see the double-sided arrow, then you can drag to adjust the size of the window. And now, even though this link is for you to attach an existing artifact, and you can still choose here create a new artifact, that radio button. But now, if you would like to use any of the artifacts that you have already created, which is shown in this window, this list, depending on how many artifacts that you have already done in TK20. And now I'm going to use one by clicking on the radio button in front of the item. And then I'll scroll all the way down to the bottom of the window and click on Continue to go on to the next window, which will show you that your assignment has been attached. And then you can click on OK, and you will see, okay, this assignment which that you completed before for different courses is now attached to under Standard 2 for your program portfolio. And if you accidentally attached the wrong assignment, you can always click on that X button to remove it. And now I'll ask you to look to the right. Under reflection, there is a click here to add. And you know that when you create a new artifact, and that there are items for you to put the title and also when the artifact was created and from which course or field experience the artifact was created, and your reflective writing, including the rationale statement and your reflection. And all of those parts are housed under this reflection for existing artifacts when you put together your program portfolio. So you will click the link, click here to add, and then you will see this pull-down menu, and you click on reflection. And now you will see all the items for you to specify an original date of artifact. You don't have to be specific, just the rough date. And you can choose a date by pulling up this calendar, and then from which course or field experience and this artifact was created. And now you can put down your rationale statement. You can write over here, okay, I select this artifact because, and then, or if you have already written the rationale statement, and you can do a copy and paste. And again, this secret button is for you to pull out the editing functions or hide them. And the same with your reflection, which is for you to reflect on the summation. Why does it demonstrate your ability with the specified standard and subparts? Let the reviewer know why it provides evidence of your growth as a teacher. And do not forget to scroll all the way down and click on Add when you are done. And then your reflection form has been attached. Then you click on OK. And the next step is for you to click to attach the subparts for the standard that you're working on in your portfolio. So you click here to attach, and I will adjust this window size, and then click on the pull-down menu to find Standards of Effective Practice for Teachers. And I'm working on subject standard 2, so I will choose the subparts that are applicable for the artifact that I am attaching. And then again, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the window and then click on Add. And now you see all the standards and the artifact and your reflection are attached for the standard that you're working on. And then at the end, do not forget to click on Save in order to save this artifact and your reflective writing for the standards that you're working on in your program portfolio. And again, in order for you to complete the assignment, the portfolio assignment for this technology class, you do not need to click on Submit for review. And you can click on Save. I will be able to locate your portfolio for grading. And the Submit for review button should be saved until the time when you are ready to submit your whole portfolio. Okay? And again, I will encourage you to check the specific requirements on your program portfolio with your program coordinator. Please let me know if you have any questions regarding the steps for you to use existing artifacts to create your program portfolio in TK20. Thank you.